start selling digital products but you don't know which platform to use, today I'm breaking down 3 platforms where I'm going to give you the pros and the cons of this platform, and you will choose which one is best for you. Let's get into the video. Start selling digital products but you don't know how, I have created a free guide that you can go ahead, download. I'll leave the link in the description below. It walks you step by step on how you can start your digital product business even as a beginner. Don't forget, I'll leave the link in the description below. So as I was telling you that before you create your digital product, you are also supposed to know which platform that you are going to use to sell your digital product. Yes, it wouldn't help you to have a good digital product, but you don't have a platform where to sell it. Of course, you need a platform to sell it. And first of our list that I'm going to talk about is Amazon KDP. Yes, Amazon KDP, I'm going to talk about its pros and its cons and why maybe you should consider it if you want, or you can go consider the other platforms that I'm going to talk about. First of all, Amazon has what we call free traffic when it comes to Amazon KDP. And if you are wondering what is Amazon KDP, if you've never heard of it at all, yes, if you haven't heard of Amazon KDP is part of Amazon, yes, where it allows you to self-publish your book, first of all, for free. You don't have to pay any money or any fees to publish on Amazon. You can just go into Canva or any other app you are using to create your digital products. You go ahead and design your digital product. When you have finished, you come and upload it here on Amazon KDP. But of course, before you upload it, you're supposed to have an account. Yes, you're supposed to have an account. So what I would advise you, open the account first. If you are going to use Amazon KDP, you open the account first, set up your payment details, then you go create a product and come upload it. So Amazon KDP is part of Amazon itself, and it helps you to self-publish your books, and you can publish so many things here that I'm going to tell you. Yes, so you can come here, create an account, or you can go into Google, searching Amazon KDP or how to create an account or create account for Amazon KDP. Then they walk you through the step. You need an email address and a password to go ahead and getting started. As I have said, for starting here on Amazon KDP, it's free. You don't have to pay any listing fees. You don't have to pay anything. Yes, and how this one works, when you create your product, upload it there. Yes, you say the price and they will ship it and do everything to the people. Then later they will give you some money from the man they sold it for you. So let's go back to our presentation so that I can explain it very well. So this is Amazon KDP here. Yes, so if we come back here on our presentation, first of all, Amazon KDP, it has free traffic because, as you know, Amazon is a big company and a lot of people trust it when it comes to buying things. And the good thing about it, that when you finish creating your KDP account and upload your digital product will go directly to Amazon itself. It can be uploaded to Amazon US, Amazon UK, Amazon anywhere it is. Yes, as long as they can sell books there. And it has free traffic if you can put in the right title, the right keywords, and the right categories. Yes, so you can tap into their free traffic and no marketing is needed. But if you want to push it further to get more sales, you can either market your books on Pinterest still for free, and you can maybe later, if you want, it's not a must. If you want, you can use ads, Amazon ads if you want, but you can still start this for free and still make money. Yes, and it works for you passive. For example, maybe you've created a Christmas activity book or a Easter activity book. Even if your book is good, even the next year Easter when it comes, it will still work for you. As long as you get those first sales, your book will be ranking high, people will be buying it, and it will be working for you even as you sleep. Yes, that's the good thing about Amazon KDP. And the next thing that I'm going to talk about here, the cons, they always pay low royalties. So if you want to get too much money, then this is not a get rich scheme. Yes, because you can start getting maybe from each book. Sometimes you can get from $3 to $2. Yes, so it depends. If you sell more copies, then you get more money. Yes, and the competition is there because starting is for free. As I have told you, starting is for free. And another thing, you don't need to fill in a resume or whatever to sign up. Signing up is also easy as long as you have a place where they are going to pay you when you earn money. As long as you have an email address and a password, that's all you need to sign up. So it's open for everyone. So that's why the competition is much, but you can still stand out if you are creating things which have value. Yes. So if you are creating products, digital products that are giving people value, you can still stand out and make good sales. Yes. So that is about Amazon KDP. And when it comes to what can you create on Amazon KDP, yes, on Amazon KDP you can create things like journals, you can create things like coloring books, planners, or children's storybooks, or you can create high content where you have a book and you're going to write so many things, like so many written things. Maybe you are an expert, maybe you were a doctor before, or you are still a doctor before, or you've studied something about skincare. You can put it in a book and write pages about it, or you can create something about medium content books, or you can create planners which align journals, or you can create coloring books. Yes, but these ones I mentioned here, they are the few that I wanted to list down because I don't want the video to get longer. So you can either start with journals as for beginners, yes, or coloring pages or planners. But as I've told you, if you have any expertise in any area, you can go ahead and write that and turn it into a book. And another thing about Amazon KDP, when we come here, you can see that these are different books that people have created. Yes, you can call them digital products because you create it in Canva and then go ahead and upload it on Amazon. And the good thing about this that people can buy your product as a digital file. They can use it as a digital file where they can go ahead and use it on their phone or iPad or print it out. But still, they can go ahead and buy this as a physical copy. So Amazon will create it, ship it to them to their house, and they will give you also a reality when it comes to that. So you can either upload it as an ebook or something that can be printed out. Yes. And another thing that I want to mention here on Amazon, as I've told you, can create all of these types, then you can go ahead and upload them there and you start selling. Yes, and as I've told you, make keep in mind that you're supposed to have a good title, a good cover for your digital product, and a good keyword research. Yes, everything before I already tell you, before you start selling something, just go ahead and make research and see if what you are creating, people are interested in it. Yes, so now this is taking us to our next platform where you can sell your digital products. Yes, and the next platform where you can sell your digital products, the next platform where you can sell your digital product there, it's called Etsy. And why it's good, you can control the price. Sometimes you can do instant downloads, you can do also branding according to your brand. Yes, you can do branding according to your brand. And when we come here on Etsy, this is how it looks like. If you don't know what it is, you can come here and register as a seller. Yes, you can register as a seller and start listing your digital products here on Etsy, and you can start selling them here on Etsy. Yes, these are the pros here, that you can control the price, the product can be instantly downloaded, and you can do the branding. And the cons here, if you are choosing to go with Etsy, if you're like, I don't want KDP, let me go with Etsy, then the cons here is that you need marketing. like they have an in-building traffic. They also have a marketplace, but it's not as big as Amazon. So sometimes you also have to pinch in and drive your own traffic to your listing. Yes, and sometimes people use some ads. Yes, and the next thing is also listing fees. Before you upload any product there, you're supposed to pay some money for your product to be listed there. So you can look into that and compare if you want to go with Etsy or you want to go with Amazon KDP. So it will depend on you. So the next one that you can expect from Etsy, these are the things that you can sell on Etsy. You can sell printables, you can sell wall art, you can sell planners. I always talk about Etsy here on this channel. And there are so many things that you can sell on Etsy. You can also sell already done for you digital products where you are targeting entrepreneurs who want to resell already made digital products. You can also use it for print on demand. But because I didn't want the video to get longer, that's why I did not put all of those ones as I've told you. So when it comes to the pros, you have to you can control the price, you can do instant downloads, you can do branding, and when it comes to the cons, you need to do some marketing yourself. Maybe you can use Pinterest for free, and they also have listing fees. Yes, and the things that you can create here, you can create printables, wall art, planners, and so much more. So you can now go ahead and compare if you want to use Etsy or if you want to use Amazon. It's all on you. Yes, it's all on you. So you can choose which one that you want to use among these two and go ahead with that one. So the next platform that I'm going to talk about is this platform which is called Gumroad. Yes, and the good thing about it, you keep most of the profit. Yes, you keep most of the profit, and it's easy to set up. And the good thing why I like it more, because of the email list, you get access to your customers. You can copy your email list, maybe add them to your email list provider. Yes, maybe you can add them to get response, to mail alert. So it will depend on you. Why this is good, because you can go ahead and sell other products to these people since you have access to their email list. But when it comes to Etsy and Amazon, you can't get the email list. Yes, that easily. Maybe you were supposed to provide a free offer inside your book or inside your its product so that people can use that link and it can take them there. They take your freebie and you can get their email list. But when it comes to Gumroad, you get the email list directly. As long as the customer buys something from you, Gumroad will send you the email of that customer, or you can see it also in your Gumroad's dashboard. So you can go ahead and copy them and do and be sending these people new products so that you can keep into contact with them. Yes, that's why I love this platform, because the other platforms, you don't get to know what your buyers are doing, or you don't get to know their email list. You don't get to know them much more or better. So this is how Grammarly looks like, and starting here also is for free. You don't need to pay anything. You can start for free. So you can still go ahead and compare if you want to go with Grammarly or if you want to go with Etsy or Amazon KDP. The choice is yours. Yes. So, as I've already shown you the pros, now let's go to the cons. The cons here is that no traffic. You must promote the products by yourself. It's not like Amazon, or it's where people already know it and they are always coming there constantly to buy. Here you have to do the marketing by yourself. You have to go maybe to TikTok, maybe to Instagram, maybe to Facebook or YouTube or Pinterest, excuse me, to promote your digital product there. Yes, so it will depend on you. As I've told you, I've mentioned these three platforms so that you can choose anyone that you want. And what is Grammarly best for? Grammarly is best for things like templates, courses, and bundles. So if you want to create digital products that are into courses, then you can go ahead and check out Grammarly. If you want to create templates, bundles, so you can go ahead and check them out or you can choose, or you can put in the comment section below which platform stands out for you and which one you are going to try out. And the final advice that I'll give you is that to start with one platform and later you can expand to others. Maybe for to say you have chosen to start with Amazon KDP. I'm giving an example. If you want to start with Amazon KDP, you can go ahead and start with Amazon KDP and see how it works. Yes, if it works for you, you can later repurpose your digital product and maybe upload it to H2. That means even you'll be having two multiple streams of income. You can use the same product that you uploaded on Amazon and upload it on Etsy, and you can still get money. Yes, it can help you to double your income. Yes, so if this video has been of help to you, don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Yes, see you in the next video.